Question and answer. Question: as a researcher at a U.S. National Research Lab, I am preparing my green card application in the EB1A category. I am considering to claim the prizes or awards criterion, but not sure if my awards, mostly graduate student and postdoc level awards, can be considered by USCIS officers for national or international significance. Do you know what are the criteria used by USCIS for this issue? To qualify for the EB1A immigrant visa, foreign nationals must demonstrate extraordinary ability in their field, including receiving nationally or internationally recognized awards. Applicants must provide evidence of receiving awards for excellence in their field. This could include 1. Copies or photos of the award. 2. The reputation of the organization or the panel granting the award, and the information about the award's judging panel and the organization that granted it. 3. The criteria used to grant the award, and details about the award's criteria. 4. Information about the number of people who competed for the award. 5. Press coverage of the award. 6. Information about past awardees, and the previous winners of the award who enjoyed international acclaim at the time of receiving the award. 7. The national or international significance of the awards or prizes in the field, and proof that the award is recognized nationally or internationally. 8. Evidence that the award is important to the applicant's field, and the award attracts competition from internationally recognized individuals in the field. 9. The number of awardees or prize recipients as well as any limitations on competitors. An award limited to competitors from a single institution, for example, may have little national or international significance. If you have received venture capital funding or have been awarded a grant, you may submit evidence of the funding or grant awarded, including the amount of the funding or grant and the criteria used in awarding the funding or grant. Evidence of other investments, such as those from an accredited angel investor, may also be submitted. Thank you for watching the video. We offer high-quality complete do-it-yourself packages for U.S. green card application and working visa application, and we provide many samples of reference letters, and samples of petition cover letters for U.S. immigration and green card application, and we also let you know the U.S. green card application process and how to get your green card quickly. If you want to apply for a U.S. green card, our website greencardapply.com and complete do-it-yourself packages can help you get green card quickly, even without an U.S. employer sponsorship, and bypass the labor certification process. I hope the audience will give us a thumbs up, and subscribe our YouTube channel, to let the knowledge of U.S. green card application spread to more immigrants, and let YouTube's algorithm recommends our videos to more viewers. For further and detailed information of U.S. green card application, please visit our website greencardapply.com. Thank you.